Hi everybody, it is June 13th. It's a beautiful day out today. It's about 24 degrees just shortly after lunchtime. Nice little breeze going, so we're going to go in and do our second check-in on the hives just to see what they're up to. I'm going to look into the feeders and see if they are still taking all of the nectar or not. If they're not, I'm going to take them out and I'll add some more frames into that box. I brought some boxes and frames and stuff extra just sitting on the side in case I guess need to add anything. I'm not sure at this point. Last year I only really got to the one brood box. I didn't, the hives didn't grow enough for me to add another one on to collect the honey. So we'll see what we're up to and I'll make up my mind as we go along. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please hit like and hit subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Okay. Alrighty. So, I think the bees are still going into the... I'm going to wait until I get more space here. Okay. So they still have a little bit of pollen patty left. So I'm just taking a peek here. They're just starting to draw out some comb there. Oh, it looks like they've really drawn out some comb here. I was running the weed eater earlier today. My arms are really shaky. I'm out of shape, I guess. So I guess the big question is, what do I do with all that extra comb? Do I take it off or do I leave it on? I see some larvae in here. Oh, there's exit. So actually in that comb, there are some eggs in there, which is really interesting. So I'm going to leave that alone. But if there's eggs, I was hoping I would get to see the queen here. Which I don't. I know we're not supposed to start with the outer frame, but I'm going to take a look anyways. I didn't want to take that other one out and set it aside because of the eggs in it. I don't want to take the risk of placing the queen off onto the side and losing her in the process. Oh man, it's so shaky. Okay, so I don't see her here. I'm going to set this little group aside ever so carefully. So we already looked at this one. saying how awkward it is to work with your gloves. I haven't worked up the guts yet to go without. I did last year. Wow, this frame is so full of bees. And it's a cat brood here. And this is a cat brood. It looks really good.
Is that one of our frames or one that came with it?
This is one of the frames that came with it. Yeah. Oh, that smoke is going right in my face. So right now the bees, I don't think really give much of a care that I'm here. They're all so busy trying to forage. So on this side again, I see cat brood. Okay, so there's eggs in here. Almost looks like they're still sitting upright, which means the queen would have laid these eggs not very long ago anyways. I'm not sure of the whole time frame, but I know that when they're upright, that the queen has just laid them recently. There's eggs all through here as well. Still looking for the queen. But I see eggs, so that makes me feel good. Oh, ladies, out of my way. Cat brood. And I see larvae, and I see cat brood. So in the corners, I kind of start building some honey. As you can see there, the outside rim has honey in it. Usually on the frames with the brood, they'll have stored some honey there. Yeah, I think I probably will not find a queen unless it jumps right out at me like it did last week. honey. And there's not much going on this side yet.
Just pour it well in there, hon.
There's a little bit of food left in there, so I'm not sure. There's bees right in the frames there, so I mean, I think obviously they're still kind of going down to get some food.
I'd do it for one more week.
Yeah, now I'm standing right in front of the entrance. Probably not that great of an idea.